Here we are with Sophia. There's Bunny Mac. Sophia's a beautiful girl. She's about a year old. She smells where the kitty cat just was. Stay out of the garage. Hi, Sophia. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, Sophia. Hi. Hi. Hi, sweetness. Let's go. This way. Come. Come. Good girl. Hi, beautiful. Sophia is good with small children. She's cat friendly. I don't think she's ever seen cats actually. The world is very new to her. She will need obedience work, which should be easy because she is treat motivated. Yes. This way. Come, Bunny Mac. Come, come. Come, come. Come, come. Over there's the kitty cat. Sophia would rather go in the house than chase the kitty cat. Hi, Sophia. You're gonna get, okay, hang on. Gotta get unwrapped here, okay. That was Dizzy. Hi. Hello. See, she's afraid of the kitty cat. She walks away from him. Yeah. You wanna go check the kitty cat? There's PETA. There's Sophia. She's like, no, I don't think so. Good girl. No kitty cats. No cats. I always correct. Just so they learn what their boundaries are. Let's go. Hi. Okay, let's go have some breakfast. How about it? Let's go have some breakfast. Good girl. Oops, sorry. Stepped on your leash. All right, into that.